Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a video walkthrough on Southern Comfort. Just take my time, kind of go around the outside of this boat. It's a 2001 Carver 444 motor yacht. That model is going to give you a nice cockpit. I love it for traveling. You can throw bikes in there. It's super versatile, easy to get on and off the boat, and ton of storage outside. Does have manual davits that'll be going with the boat. That's a 10-foot kayak there to give you a sense of the size of it. And you pull the pins and drop down a small dinghy or something like that off the platform. Come along the side, you got aft deck with enclosure. Boat has a video camera for docking. Side decks to get around to the bow. Ton of windows on the side. For this vintage boat, it lets in a lot of natural light. It's got brow cover for the keep the sun out of the salon area when you don't want it. See, a bird got us between the time I'm taking this video and the time they had it washed. It's amazing. It never fails, but we'll have that tidied up before you come see it. Nice enclosure up top. Zippers, it's a newer enclosure. Zippers were redone recently. Easy to get in and out of. And some sun pad cushions up here and designated fender storage. These folks purchased the boat, I guess, almost a year or so ago. And they absolutely love it, but they purchased a beach house and find that they're not staying on the boat like they thought they would, so they're going to sell it and move into a smaller day boat. Walk around here and get a profile shot of the side. Guy has J&J wash the boat for him, keep it up, and also has them dive on the bottom regularly. Engine service was just complete by Davis Diesel, a very reputable diesel mechanic in our area. Nice cockpit. Take my time to show you the inside there. Access to your bilge here, and then you've got some storage here. They've got life jackets and that kind of stuff thrown in there. This door leads you into the master stateroom. Coming up 4 or 5 stairs here into the aft deck seating area. Got a 4-place teak table. Nice wing doors going up to the bow here, either side. And then you've got 3 steps coming up to the bridge. Go up here. This upholstery is redone recently. It's in good shape. There's your aft view. I've got this glass panel up here, so when you're underway, you can see behind you, ship's bell. Showing you this canvas. Coming up to the helm. Nice Garmin display here. Here's that backup camera I was telling you about. VHF ready over here. Your forward, neutral, and reverse are all on one lever. Newer gauges here. This all looks good. Upholstery here is good. This burl wood is in great shape. I've seen a lot of these where it's fading or pilling. This is really good shape. I've got the chart plotter pulled up here. It's got radar going. It also has very nice sounder as well. So got depth sounder, radar, chart plotter, backup camera, and all those have been updated very recently. Bow thruster also with this boat. So between having your controls on one lever and the bow thruster, she handles well around the dock. Nice wide helm seat. Vinyls are in good shape there. Got a wet bar up here. Coming down, there's a table I was telling you about. Again, getting up to the bow for dock lines and entertaining up there is easy. Let's take a step down below. Walk into the spacious salon. Seating for two over there, and then this kind of almost L-shaped sofa here. Around to the galley, 3-burner stove, good size refrigerator, microwave convection over there. There's your TV and entertaining over here, your breaker panels. Salon access to your engines are through these compartments. Wood flooring in the galley, up to your VIP lounge or VIP stateroom. Good size island berth, easy for both parties to get in and out. You've got a separate shower stall to port with a seat. Coming over starboard side is your head. This also serves as your day head, and then the master has ensuite. Coming up 2 steps back up to the salon. There's your entry into the boat. There's your seating outside. Down a couple stairs here, and here's your master. So island berth back here as well. Salon TV, or excuse me, TV's there. Entrance to your cockpit is behind that sliding door there. Got AC controls back here. 3 ACs on the boat. They are up to date and working great. I got storage behind this compartment and drawer storage there. Let's take a look at this. So you've got a huge shower stall for the master, and then your head is here. It's a good storage, ton of counter space. Another stalled shower, so very easy. Guys, appreciate y'all taking the time to, I know this is a longer than usual walkthrough, but this boat has a lot of features that I just wanted to share with you. These blinds are newer, they've been replaced, woodwork's in good shape, couches are in good shape, all the TVs have been updated with flat screen TV. Folks, you know, current owners and the past owners have done a good job updating this boat with modern stuff, and ton of boat for the money. It'll be in the write-up, take a look at it there, but when they purchased it, they had a major engine service done, seawater service done, and that was performed by Davis Diesel mechanically. This boat is ready to go anywhere, and certainly know that the next owner can understand they're buying a boat that is above the maintenance curve, unlike you know, when these folks bought it, it needed a lot of work. They quickly put somewhere in the neighborhood of you know, 20 grand just in getting the engines up to date on the service, you know, per the book that they wanted to do, to just make sure that they were comfortable and knowing that everything was touched by a good reputable mechanic before they, you know, started using the boat. Headliner's in good shape. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please give us a shout. Best way to reach me is my cell, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.